Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Up and Out Outdoors. Today I'm going to give you a rundown of my bow hunting equipment. We're a little less than a month away from my opening day of bow season for deer. The young outdoorsmen and mountain men outdoors, they have already started their urban bow hunting in their area. Where I'm out in the rural area, mine don't start till October 3rd, the first Saturday of October. So what I'm here to do today is I'm going to show you my bow and everything else. Alright, so let me show you what I got here. This here is my Diamond Edge SB1. It's got a binary cam system. It's got octane stabilizer, octane quiver, and an Apex Gear 3-pin sight. I have ran a couple arrows through it so far. I have not got it completely lined in, and all in all, it's a really good bow. I absolutely love it. I'm pulling back. Well, I got my draw length set at 28 in my draw, and I'm pulling back 70 pounds on this bow. The max poundage on this bow is 70 pounds. And I forget how much the let off is and how much you're actually holding back is. But all in all, real good bow. Alright. This here is my release. It's a true ball release. Just put it on, you're ready to go. And for this to be pulling back 70 pounds, it's really not that hard to pull back. Not hard. Next, I have my arrows and my broadheads. These are Bloodsport Hunter Extreme. I've looked up reviews and I've seen videos. It looks like these arrows do pretty good. This right here indicates your blood. Light blood is, normally heart and lung. Dark is liver. Green and brown is gut shot. And these are the Muzzy. I think I can't really remember. But all I know is the brand, they're Muzzies. I've heard a really good thing about Muzzy. And I had to put these together myself. And look, they're pretty sharp. They look good on the arrow. I've gone with red and white, that way you can see them just a hair bit better. And that's really all I got for my bow equipment. And I got my knife and my rangefinder. I don't have my rangefinder with me at the moment, but it's I forget the name of it too. But I got it off Amazon for 90 bucks. It seems pretty good. It seems legit. I've used it. Works pretty well. So I may not get to upload as much as I want to right now, because I'm really not fishing anymore. I'm more focusing on my deer season, because it starts less than a month. But thank y'all guys for watching, and y'all stay tuned for maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna doing a trail cam, taking my trail camera up in the woods and putting it on a trail. So y'all stay tuned for that, and y'all take care.